morning. How is everyone today? I've rushed a little bit because I did mean to record a little bit earlier, but unfortunately I'm already here. I'm picking up from when I dropped Minh's wheels off at the chemical strippers, because we're removing all the old paint and all the old oxidisation on the alloy, because he's going full polished, and I thought I'd save sesssle a little bit of time and I'd get them stripped by Sean, and then at least we'll be able to get a little bit ahead with building them, because they're going to be gone for a week or two, because sesssle is old as hell and he don't rush for anyone. But we've just turned up. Here they are. Here we are. Can't really go in there because there's too many chemicals and stuff, but as you can see, they come back fully stripped. Unfortunately the lips are anodised, so we're going to have to get them done, but the barrels have come back lovely jubbly. When we get back we're going to have a closer look. So that was Sean. He's sorted us a good deal out on stripping all 12 bits, you know what I mean? So now the plan is I'm going to go straight to sesssle, drop him the lips off, drop him the faces off, then he can work his magic. They're going to be with him for maybe, I'm saying 2 weeks, maybe 3. So unfortunately this video isn't going to be continued till a later date. But when we get them back, you know what happens, I'll pick up the camera, I'll get it recorded, won't get it done. Yeah? Sound. But first, let's go and see sesssle. I hope he's in. He's like 900 years old. See if we get him on camera. You know what I mean? He might be polite, he might be ruthless. Who knows? He's been doing my stuff for maybe 13 years now, something like that. We have a love-hate relationship. He does a good job and his prices are fair. Is he in? Is he in? Oh, he's not in. Motherfucker, he's not in. God damn sesssle. I'm gonna have to ring him now, find out where he's at.
Welcome to the EE.
What's going on, mate? Sad. Well, that day got to plan, did he? But you know, nothing ever does. You're working with people that are just wrecked. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head to the unit. I've got something in store a little bit different today. It's not something I've done before. It's not something I've even, I don't know, let's just leave it at that. I think Sleepy's going to pop down as well, so we might catch up with him later. Don't hold me to that though. And then no doubt sesssle will ring me back going, alright guys, what do you want, mama? And I'm like, alright mush, how you doing? I want to drop these wheels off it. Fine, but alright then mate, come bring them down here. Or I'm on my way, I'll see you in about 10 minutes, old kid. Alright, see you in a bit, ciao ciao. Yeah, and then that's going to happen. So then I'll drop them to him then. He's going to ring me as soon as I get to the unit, anyway. Oh, in the favourite place. Made it here. No problems, no dramas, nada. Let's have a look. Ooh. So now you can see they've all back to raw aluminium. These have been anodised, so these need to be stripped probably in a different way. Some it is sesssle mentioned, but it's always good to start off with a nice clean base. Now these we're gonna, I think, spray silver, but that's something Minh's gonna do, I think. But overall, they're way better than it was. Luckily with the faces, they're just aluminium and not chrome. What a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Put down in the comments right now what you think it is. Go on, I'm waiting. I want to see if you can guess what it is. Let's have a look. If you guessed the box, you're right. Bamboo, frosted, window tint. I'm an idiot. I know. But what I didn't know, it actually come with a blade and must be an application thing. Shall I show you what I've been working on off camera? Oops. Did you see that? Nearly fell over. That's right. This is our junk room. Well, it's not really junk, it's just spares. But I painted all the windows. It's where we go fishing and have our lunch. Talking of fishing, I best get the wheels in because we are in Tipton. Someone will try and weigh me in, won't they? And I've just ripped Grant's poster. He won't know. He doesn't watch these videos. I'm gonna get away with it. Put one up. Put it there. And then brand new. He'll never know. Don't tell him. Don't do it to me. But I think they've come out really well. Compared to what they was like. You know what I'm saying? You seen them. They are rough. Scraped all the excess off, the rest is on the outside. I can't get the bird poo. Just can't do it. What I am going to do is I'm going to make a try with this. I'm probably going to try this one first. Because the biggest is probably the hardest. Or the smallest. Who knows, but we're just going to give it a go. I'm going to throw you on time lapse now. Because no one wants to sit here for 5 hours and watch me just go. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Whereas if I speed it up, get the tunes on. You know what I mean? Enjoy yourself. Need to give it one last clean, but overall I think quite pretty well. You know, gotta make a start, eh? The heat gun on it now, and I'm gonna just dry it up. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty buzzing about the way it's turned out. Took a cheeky hour or so. But once we get this room kitted out, it'll be worthwhile. Put the heat gun on it now. Just took all the moisture out from behind the film. Not bad. Not bad at all. What we got here then? Look at this little cherub. Oh.
Yoxie.
So that was a nice little visit from Josh. His chaser is looking lovely. It's fresh off the boat. I think he's had it 2 weeks now, something like that. Really enjoying it. As you've seen, it's a 1J, R154. Clean car. It's not doing a massive build on it, just once it's sensible. It's going to chuck some 18s on it, get the fitment about right, and then just enjoy it. Man, that's bright. What do you think of this? I've done the bottom one now. I think that's looking loads better. I'm really, really happy with the way it's come out. I don't know, you know. Hey, a pro. I'm not happy with that. And that's the nightclub getting closer. Put this back in the box, just in case I ever want to tint anything else. Job today, get out of the way, get it done. Maybe it's interesting, maybe it's boring. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed it. Oil feed restrictor come in the post today, but I missed it, so I'm going to need to get that tomorrow. And then we'll be putting the oil restrictor on the Civic, hopefully, and getting the wheels done by sesssle, hopefully. Yet again, thank you for the support. They're going to be in the post tomorrow for people. I think that's going to be it, to be fair. I'm going to put them into my car so I can go straight there in the morning. I'm going to pull the Civic in and I'm going to wrap this up and I'm going to get my ass home. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Anything you want to know, just put it down in the comments. Make sure you do like the video. You know what I mean? Help this channel grow. Cheers for coming. In bit.